Okay, today is 13/21. What is it? 15 August 2021. Okay, this is not very scientific, but it's about as scientific as I can get. This is a this is a Quasar 3632. Right there it is. All right, see that there? And it's on batteries. Okay, and the tone is set to. See here, the tone. Where is the tone? Okay, the tone is all the way off. It's hard to see the little tiny tick marks. Very hard to see the tiny little tick marks, but there's a little tick mark. Tone is off. They're on bass. This is in center, and we have the volume set at 3. Okay, so the volume set at 3. All right, and that's where it's going to stay. All right, and then I'm going to play this non-reel to reel. So this is the one that doesn't say reel to reel on it. Okay, and it's on side B, and it's a little bit more than, well, not quite halfway yet. Okay, so I'm going to put that in here. All right, and then I did it wrong already. Gosh. All right, so then I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to just play one song, and I'm going to before I change out to put these speakers in, which I bought specifically for a replacement. So I want to hear how the original speakers sound before I change out the speakers and put these in. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to set it to, let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to stop saying anything. I'm just going to play this one music and try and watch this. I'm going to zoom in with the camera, step behind the camera and shoot this. And so here we go. Okay, not changing the volume, not changing anything, just playing the one song. Got it? I'll try to be as quiet as possible to get a good reading on this thing. So here we go. Hit play. And that was it. So, like I said, I'm in the bedroom here, and okay, enough of that. Right. That's just like I said. I'm going to work on this here next. I got to do something else, and before that. So, but I just wanted to have this little baseline of how this sounds. And I'm in this room with all these other radios that I repaired, and some are for sale, and most all are for sale. I just haven't gotten around to it, pricing them and putting them out. I haven't, yeah, just, okay, too much fun. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.